Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Woosen Invest. And today is 15th of December 2022. As you can see, I have three images on my first page. Uh, Fed, J Power, and ECB Lagarde, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk. And first is the disclaimers. Today's agenda, we will go through first the economic calendars, and then we will go to the chart reviews, the index, crypto, and the stocks. We will mainly focus on Tesla stock. Also, you can see I have pasted the transaction. Elon Musk has sold Tesla shares yesterday for this amount of shares and at 162 price. Okay, let's go to the first agenda, economic calendar. Yesterday, as you guys know, the Fed has increased the interest rate 0.5% as the market forecast, but their tone was a little bit hawkish. They are not gonna lower the interest rates next year in 2023. So they will continue this way ongoing. And today, at this time, ECB, Lagarde, they have their interest rate to also as the market expected, but apparently the European market, also the American market, has more hate by ECB interest rate or the Lagarde speech conference uh, than Jay Powell's speech. Uh, it's also let's also check tomorrow if there's something important tomorrow. Tomorrow is only Europeans CPI data. Okay. Now let's go to check the chart reviews. First, I will take you guys check the index SPX. That's Standard and Poor 500 index. I will check first the weekly chart. You can see here, this is the weekly chart. This is the trading view. In the weekly chart, the price action I'm using is it's an analysis by a Chinese guy called Chan Lun, uh, or you can call it Zan. Um, and I'm mainly using that, also using elliott wave theory, and also some average lines and support and resistance lines and so on. Also, of course, MACD is most people are using it. Okay, let's have a look at this chart. This is a SPX weekly chart. In the weekly chart, you can see I have already drawn a box here. The box is here. It means the box actually represents the long and the short concentrated area. So you can see that the price was 34.91. This bunch from this 34.91 to now 4100 from October to now. So finally, you can see the box the lower level of this box is 4114.65, and the peak of this rally was ended at 4100. So it's not touched this box, the end price of this box. But for now, this is the key level. 4114 is the key level, key resistance level for this rally for the moment. But it's not decided if this rally is finished. What I mean is this rally from 34 to 91, 34.91 to 4100. It's not from this chart. You cannot see it's already finished. So let's zoom the chart to the day chart. Have a better view of this uh, price action. So this one, let me uh, draw in this line here so we know which area we are talking about in the day chart. So it's easily you could easily see which area we are checking in the next chart. So this is the rally from October to now, and in this chart, in the day chart, this is day chart. As you can see, uh, you from only this chart, uh, how to how to uh, how would you know this rally is finished only and until it has let me draw it. If it's doing like this quickly and going up and down like three waves, uh, you have to see this point. Like you double check the area, the box in the day chart. Then I will say this rally is finished from started from October to now. Uh, but for the moment, you could just up and down within this chart, within this box. So you still need time to measure the current situation for SPX. So if you are long, uh, don't panic sell, but wait and see. But keep your position not too heavy. But if you're short, in here, if you have a big position, you can cover a little bit and have some position left. And so in that way, you don't have to worry about up and down because uh, you know just follow the trend. And if we go to the 4 hours chart, it's more clear or it's more easy to see the activity in the market. So it's just up and down within this box. Uh, and these two trend has some cross areas. That means this is a big trend from day chart. So don't too quick to make your judgment or make your call to short or long. But if you're long, just keep your position and I mean not panic sell when it's already down to 3900. And if you're short, you can cover a little bit because it could just uh, go like this, you know. So, but I'm not predicting it. We're just following the market. So that's for SPX. Let's go to Tesla, which is most popular stock in the market. We will go first to to check the monthly chart. And in the monthly chart, it gave you a better or good view overview of the whole chart. You can see in the down there is a platform, a box in the bottom, and the Tesla already down from 14 to now 160. So it's been dropped like 50%, already 60% from the top, from the peak. So it's a big drop, but it has to this up, uh, but it has not reached this box. So it could just go up again as long as it's not touched this box. So this is a key resident is down here. I mean, so uh, let's go to the weekly chart to check what's going on a little bit more better view, a closer view to the Tesla chart. So this is the part we need to zoom in. So this is the monthly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of that part. In the weekly chart, you can see I already draw the box here. Is the platform, like I mentioned before, it's a long and short concentrated area. So you want to jump into the market, you have to know this. If you want to buy, you have to know this is if this is already finished. I mean, if the downtrend is finished. If you want to short, you also need to know if this downtrend is finished or not, or it will continue, so you can make money by short. If you want to buy long, you have to know if it's finished, then you can jump in and then it will turn up. But from looking at this chart, which part we need to check is this part from here to here. Uh, in order to know this whole trend is finished. So this is on the weekly chart, but we have to zoom in to the day chart. In the day chart, you can also see I have already marked a platform here, same reason as I mentioned before. Also the prices for this box. But in this chart, in order to know if it's finished or not, you have to check this part to know if this trend is finished. Uh, but on the day chart, it's hard to know because there's no any indicator. I mean, like MACD or other average lines, it doesn't tells you anything. It's fake or it doesn't really work with other indicators. So don't use them. Uh, what I will do is now we are in the day chart. We will zoom in to the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, similar there, you have a platform there, a box there, and also uh, the key lines here. And I will how to know if this is better now in the 1 hour chart. You have to compare. Where you need to compare is compare this part and this part. Why we need to compare this part? This is to compare if the downtrend or down strength is lower or it's getting weaker. In that way, you could know if it's the entry point. How to compare that? We need to compare the we need to compare the area for MACD. Like this part, we need to compare the MACD. Same here. Apparently, you can see that the area for MACD, this part and this part is smaller. It's smaller than the in part for this box. That means the uh, the downtrend is getting weak, and this is approximately an entry point for a small position because this is a 1 hour chart. But in order to even have exactly, or if you really want a even better entry point, you have to zoom more to like maybe 30 minutes chart or 5 minutes chart to know a little bit more. But in because of the time limits, so I could not go into too much details. But you guys, if you really like my analysis, you can write down your ticker under my channel, and I will do my homework and we'll talk about the ticker in my channel, and you could know more about your tickers or help you to make your decisions. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.